Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to use custom mouse pointers. Hope you enjoy. Before we start the video, like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. First, go to the link in the description. Select one of these mouse pointers and download them. After downloading, go to settings and follow my steps. Now follow my steps. Now select additional mouse options and select pointers and do this. Click on apply and boom. Now it's done, and show off it to your friends. Hope you enjoy and I will see you guys again very soon later. Goodbye.